Welcome to Playtime with a Physical Therapist. Today we're going to talk about tips on getting baby to roll back to belly as well as an example on how to encourage baby to do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram at Playtime with a Physical Therapist. Feel free to skip to the end to see an example. So rolling back to belly usually occurs between 5 to 7 months. It's important because it helps develop trunk dissociation, where the shoulders and pelvis move separately as seen in crawling, walking, and running. It develops two senses, vestibular for balance and proprioceptive for body awareness, and it strengthens core muscles and neck and shoulder stabilizers. Four tips for teaching baby to roll. I'm all about using purposeful play to incorporate transitions. First, I would encourage lots of tummy time. Second, you can use a toy to encourage baby. And third, encourage playing on back and side to help break up the movement. And finally, instead of placing baby directly into tummy time, assist baby in rolling into it. This will allow baby to develop strength to complete part of the movement. It will also allow baby to learn the motor pattern, and it creates an opportunity to practice. Here is an example on assisting baby in rolling into tummy time. Start with one hand to assist at the pelvis to bring the top leg up and across body to engage the lower abdominals. Next, you can use a toy to encourage baby to reach his or her arm up and across the body and to lift the head to engage the obliques and neck stabilizers. The more baby does, the less you need to assist. Happy rolling! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram at Playtime with a Physical Therapist. See you next time!